guys, today we are in the episode 5 of my street called build. Yes, you hear me right, episode 5. So you never watch of the episodes 1, please go down in the description. I'm gonna leave the episode series down in the description. Episode 1, 2, 3, 4 in the description. Today we are in episode 5. If you never watch of the in the beginning, you're gonna be really confusing. So today guys, we are gonna be doing this. Guys, this is the filler, and this is the filler also. We're going to be filling up the body step by step, so that I'm going to be doing some painting and some freaking painting, guys. So please, if you're first time in my channel, go down the description and watch out the episode 1, and please don't forget to hit up the subscribe button, turn up notification bell, so that you're going to be notified anytime the episode 6 is out. Okay, and I'm filling it, and you can see that. You can see this. I'm just filling it up. Okay, this is the raw filler. Just filling it like that. So I'm gonna smooth up all those crash. Okay guys, so today I've came to an end of this. Today I want to do some painting, so I want to take it to a professional. I have this guy that's been painting for me from a very long time. I say for almost 10 years now. If you've been watching all my video when it came to painting, it turned out to be the same guy. This guy is a professional, so I want to do this painting professionally. I got a spraying machine. I would have sprayed it myself, but no, when you came to do things like this, you don't do it if you are not professional in painting. You take it to someone so that it gonna look real. But I want my things to be neat. Like I say, I'm a neat person, so I want I'm gonna take it this way. Yes, and we are gonna be checking all this color. See, I got many color here. So guys, what about this one? This one. Take a look at this color, guys. Look pretty, right? Let's pick up this one. Guys, now I'm out of the engine. Guys, take a look at this bag. Oh man, just take a look at this bag. That's pretty cool, right? Okay, let me continue with the coupling. I'm doing final stop today. Just let me continue with it. Okay, guys, this is the level. Everything is cool. So we are done with this level. We are going so far. So guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to do something like this, you want to subscribe. So guys, here's our carry couple, and this looks very nice. Okay, let's go. Keep on coupling. It's good. My guy is doing the wiring stuff for me. This guy's been doing wiring for stuff for my bikes for a very long time. So he's gonna be doing the wiring stuff right now. So this bike, boss, you know, this bike gonna have a really electrical. So we are gonna be doing it right now. Where are we going? Where is the cup? That is episode 5. So guys, remember to hit this like button or subscribe to the channel so you can be notified anytime I drop any video, guys. Okay? Guys, take a look at this bike. Take a look at this bike. No, I just want to be honest with you guys. I don't want to be honest with you guys. Just take a look at this bike. Okay? Okay, guys. So I just came to an end of episode 5. Guys, I'm gonna leave it from there. I want to do this bike to leave it in this episode 5 to finish everything up to show you guys, but the video is getting longer and longer and longer. So today I just want to make it the episode 5. So tomorrow I'm gonna be keep on doing episode 6. So guys, all you wanna do, if you want one of those, you wanna have it on your own, all you wanna do just click the subscribe button on something free. Turn on the notification bell so that you're gonna be notified every time I drop a video. I wanna leave my number down in the description. If you have some confusion, you're gonna call or you're gonna text me on WhatsApp. Okay guys, so you email me. My Facebook gonna be down in the description too. So subscribe guys. So episode 6 is coming soon guys. Guys, take a look at this bike. Pretty cool guys. Pretty cool. Take a look at this lights guys. Take a look at this light guys. Yes. Take a look at this footrest. I told you this gonna be white in the world. And you see that? I never lies. I hate lies, you know. In my life I hate lies. And I don't lie, okay? What I say I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna do. Please guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so you're gonna be notified anytime I drop episode 6 guys. So this is the end of episode 5. Peace.